What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy JD Live, man, and I'm live in effect, and I'm back with another video. Now, y'all see the title of the video. I wanted to get into this because I know a lot of y'all are probably getting y'all $1,400 stimulus check, or some of y'all may not be qualified, or some of y'all are qualified. So, Biden, passed a $1.9 trillion bill that people are getting a $1,400 stimulus check. Another one, I know there was another one. There was two of them, right? The first one, it was in April, I believe. And then now they're doing, another one. So it just got passed. So people are gonna be getting $1,400. I ended up getting one, and I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips, some game, and yeah, I'm gonna put a disclaimer right now. I'm making this video to like help out people that actually want to listen to it and take it the way that they want to take it. But this is just my personal advice. This is my opinion. You know what I mean? Because I don't want nobody coming at me about stuff like this. And, so it's just like, I'm going to just be upfront and be honest. But y'all like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And yeah, we're going to get right into it. So pretty much what I'm going to be talking about in this video is how you can turn your stimulus check into more money. Pretty much how your stimulus check can change your life, man. It can change your life for the better, man. It can help you out. So now, disclaimer, right? I know a lot of y'all right now are gonna have to use your stimulus check to pay for your rent, your bills, food, your necessities, right? If you have to spend that money on your necessities, your bills, your rent, food for your kids, food for yourself, then by all means do that. But if you do not have to, like let's say you got money saved already, or you work a job and you're able to make enough money from your job to pay your bills and stuff, then this is my suggestion, right? Okay, you guys are gonna get $1,400, right? I feel personally you should figure out a way to turn that $1,400 into more money. Flip it first. Once you get it, flip it, right? And I'm gonna give you guys some ways that you can flip this money, right? You can make this money work for you. You can turn this money into more money over time, right? So, right, you can invest this money in stocks, cryptocurrencies. You can invest it into your first business. You can invest it into real estate. You can flip it by going out to stores and buy, products like shoes, clothes, selling for more money, right? Buy low, sell high, right? You guys can be doing that. You guys can flip this money, turn that 1,400 to 2,800, right? Because there's probably some of y'all that's watching this video right now that literally want to get that $1,400 and just want to spend it on your wants, right? And y'all know what the wants are. Some of y'all probably want to go out and spend this money on Louis Vuitton, go out and buy drinks at the club. Some of y'all might want to go trick on women. I don't know, man. Like some of y'all want to just, hey, I ain't trying to judge nobody. Some liquor, I don't know. Try to spend this money on Louis Vuitton, Gucci belts, I don't know. Some stuff that ain't gonna make you no money. The stuff that's, it may look good, it may be flashy, it might look real nice, but it doesn't appreciate over value, and it's not gonna make you no more money. But like, I feel like personally, you can use this money to really better your life financially, right? If you use it the right way, right? $1,400 is a decent amount of money. Like, this could really help out a lot of people, man. Like, and it's good that, they passed the bill. People are getting money, getting the stimulus check. But yeah, like I was saying, like, you can invest this money into your own business, right? Your first very own business. You may be working a 9-to-5 job right now, and you may not really like the job, but you're using it to pay your bills, and you can use this startup money to invest in a business that you may be interested in. Let's say you're into fitness, right? And you want to be a personal trainer. You can use this money to invest in, I don't know, like fitness gear that you can sell to people. Or let's say you want to start your own drop shipping website. You can use it to buy inventory or stuff like that, or no, buy ads, advertising. You can use this money to, let's say you like clothing, right? You want to start your first clothing line. You can use it to buy clothes, buy a clothing maker machine, or whatever the case may be, right? You can turn this money into, invest it into equity that could potentially make you more money down the road, right? So that $1,400 can turn into $10,000 over the year because you've been flipping it and you've been buying products, selling products, making a profit in between, and you've been growing and growing and growing, and that $1,400 is going to turn into way more down the line, right? Also, I'm going to give y'all some game, right? So this is what happened, right? When the first stimulus checks came out, some of y'all are gonna believe this, some of y'all may not believe this, but this is an article on Google. This is 100% facts, right? The $1,200 that you guys got April, I think 2020, when the first stimulus check came out, if you would have invested that $1,200 into Bitcoin, guess how much that $1,200 would be right now in March 2021? $10,000. 10K. You would have turned $1,200 into 10K, bro. 10K. You pretty much 10x your money. You know what I mean? Like, listen, if you don't necessarily have to use this money to, you know, pay for your rent, pay for your bills, pay for food for your kids, or for the necessities, like, if you don't really need it for the necessities, don't spend it on the necessities. Literally invest it first, flip it, then use that money for your wants. Use it for your necessities. Flip it first. Turn it into more money first, and then use the difference to buy the stuff that you need, right? So that you'll have money left over instead of just spending your whole stimulus check on the stuff that you may want, and then you ain't making and then there's no more money, right? Then you gotta work a job, and then you gotta make the money again and it's repeating cycle. Instead, you can invest this money into something that's gonna make you more money, like assets, businesses, stuff that are proven that's gonna grow over value by doing your research first. Okay, this is a disclaimer. I gotta put this out there. You have to do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your research. Please do your due diligence before you invest any of this money into things like businesses, assets, stocks, real estate, crypto. Do your research first. Talk to somebody. Get a mentor. Have them step by step teach you on how that you guys, you know, can put this money into something that you know you're gonna get a return on. Don't just be throwing your money in something without you doing no research that you don't know nothing about, because you can mess around and lose all your money, and that's gonna suck, right? You don't want to lose that money. You want to turn it into more money, man. So do your research first and really sit down and really think to yourself, do I really need this money for my rent? Do I really need money for food, to take care of my kids? Like, do I have enough money right now in my savings account, or money coming in from my job and I can just take care of my bills easily? Or if I really, really need it to take care of this, then take care of it. And if it needs to be done ASAP, like right away and within a week, then just go ahead and, you know, pay for your necessities. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Take care of your responsibilities, right? But if you don't really need it for that type of stuff, and you can like literally wait a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, for that your money could turn into more money, then go ahead and invest it in stuff, man. You could buy ETFs. You know, ETFs track the S&P 500, investing in stocks, right? 7% per year. You invest that $1,400 in like an investment called, like on the stock market, there's QQQ, there's the SP 500, right? You're investing in over 500 companies in the stock market. That has a great return every single year. So your money is gonna grow every single year by just investing in that ETF, right? So yeah, man, that's pretty much all I want to go over. How a stimulus check can change your life, man. How it could put you ahead in life is by just investing the money and turning that into more money, man. But if you like this video, hit the like button. Comment down below you guys' thoughts. Comment down below more videos y'all want to see me post on this YouTube channel. I'm gonna let y'all know some. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the vlogs. I'm gonna be going out of the state. You know what I'm saying? Like the end of this month, you know, for spring break. And I'm definitely gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be showing y'all a great experience. So y'all stay tuned for that. So yeah, man. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all staying safe out there. Practice social distancing. But I thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the support. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.
Yeah.